Hey guys, we'll be back in this new video. Now this is going to be part 2 of our shared program from Excel. In this part of this video, now we are going to basically add some little feature into our shared program. If you try to see if you happen now to click on to run the program, this is how the programs look like. If I say hey, you see I get the response, which is fine, but me to add another result or me to put a functionality whereby I'll be in a position now to send a message to the OSP, maybe to the person who happened maybe to send a message. You'll discover that I have to first clear this like that, using actual clearing from the screen. If this is the word got from this user, for me to send the message I have to first clear this using a screen, then I take it back. You get? Then maybe I happen to reply it back. Now let us try to put some functionality in that program whereby when a person happens to send a message and I happen to receive, I don't need to refresh using the screen. I just need now to just have a button here which says clear, and definitely clears for us those codes of the program, say, or the message text sent by the user. Now let's do that very fast. Now we're just going to add a button. This is your first video to watch this. I request to watch part 1 so that you can get into the same platform. So just going to add a button there. This is going to be a clear button for this part here. So that's going to be the clear button. We can also just try to change inside it to be clear. We can also change even the color of the font if you want. That's what you want. So even here we shall also need a clear button. Just start by putting some functionality. That's a clear button also. So you can also just move that one to be clear. So to be clearing text in a simple term, to be clearing our text there sent by the user. So those are the two stuffs we have. So you can also just hold the control here and I go here, that way they say font, and I change the font size of that text there. So you can also make it bold, something like that, or 12 is enough. And also we make it kinda that color, you can change the color depending on what you want. Now for this one I can make it to be kinda green. Wow, change it to kinda dark green like that. And then this one I'm going to make it kinda that. Now we already have those two stuffs. Now if we happen to run these programs, we expect this clear button to respond as to clear our text from this user, and also this clear button to be clearing the text from the OSP, so that when you just type in the message, you can also click here to clear whatever is there, then you just continue to proceed, and that's it. Is it okay? So let's try. Now if I happen to click a message there and I send here, the message will go to this user. So I expect this user, after reading, he can always clear here, click on the clear button, and continue to put his own text. The same applies to this one, also this side. So let's do that very fast into our codes. Now check me, double click, let's just double click this sender for the OSP, double click there, double click there. If you try to cross check, these are the codes we have there. You get? That's the group of the codes we have there. And maybe before doing anything like that, check here. This is what? Click up here. That's one known as if you click here, that's one known as this text box. This text box 1. So you can always copy that because that's what you're going to use inside here. So what you're going to do right now, just double click there, and we just add the following piece of code. Just add that text box 1.text. It's going to be equal to nothing. That's it. That's just the piece of code we need to generate there. That implies so far the moment that code is done. So if you happen to run and I say maybe I send a message from here down, hey, if I click here, it should go, and when I click here, it should clear off that text. But when I click here, it cannot clear here. This one can't clear. So let us also work on that very fast. So the same applies to here. This is text box 2, which you can see is text box 2. So also copy that. That's the same code we're going to happen to add in this button here. So double click on that button too, and then just also put that piece of code. So going to be text equaling to nothing also at the same time. It's going to also be equal to nothing. So that's it. So if you try not to cross check into our program, if I try to run, I say maybe hey OSP or A Pro, you get? I can always get hey OSP, and when I click in here I can clear only this text, the other text not cleared, and say maybe hey OSP, maybe how how are you doing. If that's what you have, something like that, sorry, if that's what you have, I can always send in here, and after being reading by this OSP, I can always clear that text alone, and I add my blah 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 there, and I send back to this guy the same price. That guy can also clear here his own text and also type right back, and then that's it, my friends. If you know this video has helped you, please, I request you to share to your friends, comment my videos, tell me what you really like, or how you guys are making yours outside there. You can also send me your codes, what you know so far you have done on these short programs that you have happened to put into practice using Excel. Another same program you can make using PowerPoint, Publisher, Word, Access. I may try to get time and I make for you the same on other different applications. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Thank you.